Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be making some ribs, pork ribs, and I am going to be seasoning them with 5-spice, chili powder, garlic powder, sea salt, and also some fresh ginger and green onion. And I have my oven set on 275, and I'm going to let it cook in the oven on 275 for about 2 hours. And I'm going to check it after about 2 hours to see if the meat is falling off the bone or not. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And I don't care about what none of you guys say that watch my video and say you're not supposed to wash your meat off. I don't care if it's pork, chicken, I don't care what it is. I'm not washing the meat per se. I am rinsing the meat. Just give it just a quick rinse. I don't see nothing wrong with that. But some people, like to always tell me that you're not supposed to, or it's not necessary. And guess what? It's not necessary, and you don't have to do it. But this is my kitchen. This is my food that I'm eating, and I choose to rinse my meat off before I cook it. And if you don't rinse your meat off before you cook it, then good for you. But I am going to be cooking pork ribs, like I said. And I just did a quick rinse, as you guys just saw. And I know that people say it splatters things everywhere, splatter germs everywhere. But to me, that's why you're supposed to wash everything before you start cooking. And after you cook, or during cooking, also clean behind yourself. I mean, it's as simple as that. I don't know why that's so hard for people. So give me a moment. Let me clean up after myself, and I'll be right back. Okay, let's start seasoning. This is the 5-spice. And y'all can get this brand, of course, at Winco for sure. But you can use 5-spice brand, any brand that you want to use. I don't know if some brands are, are stronger or have a more enhanced flavor than any other brand, but this is what I like to use. And then next, I'm going to add chili powder. Again, this is simply Winco brand. And again, y'all, this is not a tutorial. I'm just coming in to say hi to y'all, because I know I haven't made a video. And just to show y'all what I'm doing. I just figured since I'm going to cook anyway today, might as well show you guys what I'm cooking. Okay, let's flip this over and do the other side. So y'all, today the highs outside is, as far as temperature is concerned, the highs I think is 64 degrees. Tomorrow is supposed to be 80 for the highs. How is the temperature going back and forth so sudden like that? I just found it interesting because regardless of what the temperature is, it's not going to stop me from doing whatever I'm going to do anyways. I just thought I'd mention the extreme changes in temperature. Depends on what day it is. And last is the five spice season. Rub that in a little bit. Massage it. So, do y'all think it's cheaper to buy food and cook at home, and cook? Or do y'all think it's cheaper to go through those places like HelloFresh? You know how I've never used a service before, and I'm just saying HelloFresh. It could be any. I shouldn't have said the company name, but any service that sends you the food, sends you the recipe for everything, and you just cook it. Y'all know what I'm talking about? So do y'all think it's cheaper to eat and cook that way, or is it better to just go to the store, buy your own food, and just cook it? I always wondered, what the prices were, the pros and cons of using a food service like that. Okay, I'm gonna rinse my hands, push this to the side, and then we'll get started on cutting up the ginger and the onion. So I think one sprig of onion would be enough, and I'll take some ginger off of this. Y'all, I believe this is going to be delicious. Now, in the past, when I've made this, I've also added hoisin sauce, but it's really good on the ribs. So let me show y'all what it looks like, and we'll place it in the oven on 275 for at least 2 hours. And after 2 hours, I will take it out, check it to see if it's tender like I like it, and then I will show the end results.